Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to send zip file in Gmail. Open Gmail. Now click on Compose. Add the recipient, subject, and message to send. Then click on the option Insert Files using Drive. In the window, go to the Upload tab. Click on Browse, select the zip or file folder, and click on Open. Now click on Send. In the pop-up window, define whether or not permissions will be given to the recipient, and you can choose the type of permission. You will see that your zip folder or file has been sent. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.